Ever found yourself in a tangle trying to book hair braiding appointments? It's a common struggle, isn't it? We've all been there. The endless back and forth trying to find a date and time that fits both your schedule and the hairdresser's. Then there's the distance. Maybe your preferred stylist is across town, or maybe they're even in a different city. And let's not forget about the uncertainty. How do you know if the hairdresser you're booking with is any good at braiding? You can look at pictures, sure, but they don't always tell the whole story. Sometimes you end up with a stylist who isn't quite as skilled as they appeared online. It's a lot to juggle, and it can make the whole process feel more stressful than it needs to be. What if there was a way to eliminate these hassles and make booking hair braiding appointments as easy as a few clicks? Introducing BraidMe Salon's booking system, a game changer in the hair braiding industry. This innovative platform is designed to transform your hair braiding experience by putting convenience at your fingertips. Picture this. You can book an appointment anytime, anywhere, without the need to make a call or visit a salon. The power is literally in your hands. Our system is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for you to select your preferred hairdresser. And here's the best part. Hairdressers must confirm their availability for the booked slots. Gone are the days of double bookings or schedule mishaps. What about your location, you might wonder? Well, we've got you covered. Before finalizing the booking, you're required to provide a video or picture of your residence. This ensures that our hairdressers can reach your location without a hitch to deliver the hair braiding service. We understand that hair for braiding can sometimes be a significant investment. That's why we're offering discounted hair prices when you book through our platform. Yes, you heard it right. Quality hair at a reduced price. BraidMe Salon's booking system is not just about convenience. It's about providing a transparent and user-friendly experience. We're revolutionizing the hair braiding industry, one booking at a time. Imagine booking your next hair braiding appointment from the comfort of your home with a hairdresser of your choice and at a discounted price. With BraidMe Salon's booking system, your hair braiding dreams are just a click away. Booking your hair braiding appointment on our platform couldn't be easier. Let's get started. First, you'll need to select a hairdresser. We have a wide range of talented professional hairdressers available, each with their own unique styles and techniques. Take your time to browse through their profiles and choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen your hairdresser, the next step is to confirm their availability. Our platform allows you to view the hairdresser's schedule in real time, so you can choose a slot that works best for both you and the hairdresser. No more back and forth phone calls or messages. Just a simple click, and you're one step closer to your hair braiding appointment. Now here's where our platform really shines. To ensure a smooth and convenient service, we require users to verify their residence before the booking is finalized. This simple step allows the hairdresser to come to your location for the hair braiding service. All you need to do is provide a video or picture of your residence. It's quick, it's easy, and it's designed to make the whole process as seamless as possible. But wait, there's more. Our platform also offers the option to purchase hair for braiding at a discounted price when making your booking. So not only are you securing your appointment, you're also getting a great deal on your hair supplies. It's a win-win situation. Once you've completed these steps, all that's left is to finalize your booking. And there you have it, a hassle-free way to book your hair braiding appointment. Remember, by using our platform, you're not just getting a hair braiding service, you're getting a user-friendly, transparent experience that puts you in control every step of the way. No more struggling with bookings, no more uncertainty. Just a straightforward, efficient process designed with you in mind. And just like that, you've successfully booked your hair braiding appointment. Before you finalize your booking, there are a few things you should know. The BraidMe Salon platform operates under certain terms and conditions that are designed to ensure a transparent and enjoyable experience for all users. Firstly, let's talk about video sharing. At the start of your braiding session, a video will be captured and shared on various social media platforms. This includes YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. It's a fun way to showcase your new look and the talent of our hairdressers. Secondly, we have a refund policy in place. While we strive for complete customer satisfaction, we understand that things can sometimes go awry. If you ever find yourself in a position where you need to request a refund, please be aware that refunds are subject to a percentage deduction. This helps us cover administrative costs and continue providing excellent service. Lastly, we value your feedback. After your hair braiding service, You'll be asked to rate the hairdresser's competence on a scale from 1 to 5 stars. Your rating helps us maintain a high standard of service and gives our hairdressers the recognition they deserve for their skills. By agreeing to these terms and conditions, you are ensuring a transparent and user-friendly hair braiding experience. Remember, we're all in this together, striving to make the world of hair braiding a little bit easier and a lot more fun. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've delved into the common challenges faced when booking hair braiding appointments, from finding available slots to ensuring the hairdresser can reach your location. We've then introduced BraidMe Salon's innovative online booking system, a solution designed to turn these struggles into a thing of the past. This system not only allows you to book appointments at your convenience, but it also requires hairdressers to confirm their availability, ensuring a smooth and efficient service. We've walked you through the booking process, highlighting the need for residence verification and the added bonus of discounted hair prices. Finally, we've touched on the crucial aspect of accepting BraidMe Salon's terms and conditions, which include video sharing, a clear refund policy, and the requirement for user reviews post-service. With BraidMe Salon's booking system, you can say goodbye to the struggles of booking hair braiding appointments and enjoy a seamless, user-friendly experience.